Introduction to Low Voltage Power Distribution. Low Voltage Electrical Devices. In this section, we introduce basic concepts of power distribution. Low voltage distribution structures can be divided into A, B, C, and D according to load capacity. A indicates a low voltage distribution system. B indicates an IT room power supply system. C indicates an IT room power distribution system, such as a PDF or PDU, and D stands for room IT load. The voltage of a low voltage distribution system is less than or equal to 1,200 volts in an AC area and 50 or 60 Hz, and no greater than 1,500 volts in a DC area. Common low voltage distribution devices include low voltage circuit breaker, transfer switch, fuse contractor, surge protection device, SPD, and socket and plug. Low voltage circuit breakers are important. This circuit breaker has three basic functions: switch, overload protection, and short circuit protection. According to various distribution structures, short circuit protection can be divided into instant type and short delay. Circuit breakers can be classified as ACB, MCCB, MCB, HYMAG, and RCD. ACB is an air circuit breaker. MCCB is a molded case circuit breaker. MCB is a miniature circuit breaker. HYMAG is a hydraulic pressure magnetic circuit breaker, which is mainly applied to distribution systems under extreme temperatures. RCD is a residual current device. The type of circuit breaker that operates in the air using an air blast as an arc quenching medium at atmospheric pressure is known as an air circuit breaker, ACB. ACBs are mainly used for main power distribution, such as transformers, capacitors, and generators in large industrial plants. ACBs can carry heavy currents, thousands of amperes easily. It has intelligent monitoring functions, remote control, alarm, and data transmission. MCCB is a type of electrical protection device commonly used when loads are too high for miniature circuit breakers. MCCB is mainly used as the input protection of the computer room power supply. MCCBs carry medium currents of hundreds of amperes. High braking capability includes ultimate braking capacity, ICU, and service braking capacity, ICS. ICS means the circuit breaker can cut off short circuit currents, but it may not be usable afterwards. ICU means the circuit breaker can cut off short circuit currents and remains usable. Operated rapidly, the tripping devices are interchangeable and adjustable. Intelligent monitoring functions, catenation, and remote control, alarms, and data transmission. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.